Hello everyone, I am back with another nostalgic video. So I am going to be doing the lovely Sofia Vergara's makeup today. So the difference is I don't look like her, so just keep in mind that this makeup is not going to make you turn into her. Unfortunately, I wish that was me, but it's going to emulate her beautiful 90s makeup at that time. So I am using two of my foundations here. It looks a little tan at first. Trust me, when I put the concealer on, it will be fine. But this is just to give me more of a tan underglow. She has beautiful tan skin. As you know, she is a Latin beauty. I absolutely adore her. I think she's one of the most beautiful women on earth. So there's no comparison. But I truly adore her. She just doesn't age. She's an icon. And her makeup was absolutely everything in the 90s. So I'm going to highlight, like I said, and go ahead and highlight all over your face. She did have a really nice beat face in the 90s. It wasn't a lot, like over the top, but you could tell that they did her makeup very well. I'm not sure at the time if she got her makeup done. It was a long time ago, but I guess she's always been a star, so who knows. But this is my take on, I looked at a bunch of photos of her. I got requests multiple times for her. So I ended up just going based off of some of the requests photos, and then I went off and saw some interviews. So this is how I came up with this look, and you'll see soon. I didn't even do a reveal in the beginning. I wanted to keep it kind of more of a mystery. So I'm going to make my face ultra matte. She had that beautiful ultra matte makeup look. I'm sure she used powder foundation, but I need a full coverage. So we are going to do that. And I'm going to be wearing a blonde wig to emulate her look in the end. So we're going to take my ash color eyebrow toner, and then I'm going to fill in my eyebrows with the ashier color as well. And I'm not doing my eyebrows really like her. As you know, I usually skip the eyebrow portion every time when it comes to makeup looks. So now I am taking the Naked palette and then this taupe color palette from Lancome Cosmetics. And I'm going to take a really stark beige eyeshadow to really coat the lids. And I'm going to place it all over the lids, and we're just going to want to keep it matte and bright. Based off of the interviews and few photos that I saw from her, they were very fuzzy, but I had to go based off of interviews that were in HD. She did a lot of eye brightening on the inner corners and under the brow bone area, so make sure that you put a bright white there. It doesn't have to be like clown white or, you know, stark white, just a beige white. Then I'm going to take a taupe brown color and place it like so in the outer corners of the eyes. Make sure you build it up, but don't start too harsh and heavy because then it's going to look really dark. And her eye makeup was not really dark. It was very smoky, but also natural. I feel like this was a very popular look for 90s models at the time and actresses. So that is what I'm doing here. Now keep in mind my eye shape is a lot different from hers, and so is my face shape. So this makeup look is going to look a little different on me because I have a different face from her. So just make sure you keep that in mind. And then you're going to want to brush that brown underneath and then take a white eyeliner and line the waterline. A lot of the times people do makeup because they think that they're going to look like them, but that's not necessarily it. You could admire the makeup without thinking that you're going to transform into that person. I know that I was honestly guilty of that in the past, where I thought if I do this makeup, I'm going to look just like this person. No, it's going to be kind of emulating them, but with your features. So now I am taking that dark brown and also placing it as my eyeliner, and then making sure that everything's nice and blended. We're going to take a good concealer that really separates the lashes. Now I'm not sure if she wore falsies, but I'm going to wear falsies just to really make my eyes have that nice wing end to it, that flick. It looked like she had really long eyelashes, or maybe she was using falsies. Who knows? But I'm going to use these Millie Best lashes, and I'm going to place them right after I'm done doing my mascara. And I'm also going to wipe away the bake here. I always do this to let the glue kind of set. And I'm also doing my bronzer. I did bronze up my face because she is very tan. just kind of getting into the curves of the face. I really love that matte bronzer look that they did in the 90s. So while I did that, while the glue was kind of getting tacky, I placed the lashes on the outer corner. Honestly, guys, I went out with this makeup look and got so many compliments. It's really beautiful. I know why she did it. It's just very, very flattering and girly without being over the top. And I feel like that's the makeup that is going to be in now and forever. So I am taking a really bright blush. In a lot of the videos, she did have a lot of blush on. And I am going to take this color called Half Red by MAC and kind of do that dark outer lip line look that they did a lot in the 90s. So in a few of the videos and photos, she did have matte lips, but I really wanted to do the glossy lips that she had in her one iconic interview from the 90s, and I just really wanted to do that. So you can always choose to keep the look matte if you want, but I want to make it glossy. So I'm taking a little bit of Walk of Shame medium and then Hue by MAC and giving myself that really 90s lip look. Now I felt like it needed the gloss and a little bit of shading, and then it looked a little more Sofia here. So we are coming to an end. Look at that makeup. It is just so beautiful and flattering. I put on a blonde wig. Doesn't make me look like her, I know, but it kind of gave the essence, if you know what I mean. I hope you guys enjoyed this Sofia Vergara look, and I will see you in my next video. Leave requests down below. Bye, guys.